The victory of President Donald J. Trump was celebrated in Africa by most especially men of God, though the impact of his executive orders now bites harder on Africa in view of immigration policy, deportation of Africans in America to African countries, as well as Mexico and Canada. The executive order that mandated United States of America to leave the World Health Organization affected the distribution of medications to HIV/AIDS patients by USAID. However, the senior pastor, Bible-based Miracle Assembly, Reverend Dr. Jerry Nwachukwu, in defense of President Donald J. Trump, asked if Africans were created differently from the Westerners.
Were Africa created differently from when God was creating other people?
Okay.
We are created together. Should we place our body on another man's shoulder? Why can't we develop ourselves? Second tenure of President John Trump is the best thing that can ever happen to the entire world.
The cleric, who also lauded Donald Trump for his executive orders that address the issue of LGBTQ+, urged Nigerian leaders to learn from the leadership style of President Donald J. Trump.
It's the world thing. It's the world thing. We should face our problem and tackle it.
Okay.
And stop deceiving ourselves. What is happening in the political atmosphere of Nigeria, is it caused by Trump?
No.
Huh?
No.
It's not caused by Trump. It's not caused by Trump. So Trump has been the best to me that has happened to the world.
He, however, stated that the deportation in America did not only affect Africans. He advised that Africans should go back to natural herbs to solve the issue of HIV and AIDS and develop ourselves for a better Africa with the elimination of tribalisms amongst Africans.
We do eat herbs before. Okay, you are suggesting herb. We do eat herbs before. We should go to what works for us.
Okay.
We should go back to what works for us.
Okay.
Natural drugs work for us. Before the coming of the Europeans, it has been there. It has been working. So we should stop deceiving ourselves. We Africans can develop Africans with little help of the rest of the world. But where we will be world independent, tell me African country that is not owing. We are becoming lazy every day, which is uncalled for. So they should leave Trump alone. I would have been against Trump if he's not implementing his campaign promises. So what will eliminate hunger in Nigeria is to mellow down tribalism. Okay. Let us see ourselves as one entity. Let us stop this spirit of individualism. I am a Yoruba, I am an Igbo, I am Hausa, I am Fulani.
From Bible-based Miracle Assembly, Mpoago, Martin Nwachukwu Ekeze reporting.